inside look at the Detroit Autorama while we give you a little bit of information in the backstory behind the Ridler Award. The Detroit Autorama, or Rama as we like to call it, was first held in February of 1953. But the Ridler Award came later. It was originally their best of show, and it first appeared in 1964. The award is named after Don Ridler. Born in Detroit, Michigan, Donald George Ridler was an American football player, coach, and athletics administrator. He played his college football at Michigan State and professionally in the National Football League for the Cleveland Indians during the 1931 season. Don was a legendary promoter and certified car guy who lost his life way too soon, and the Michigan Hot Rod Association wanted to honor him for everything that he did for them in the custom car world.